JetBrains IDE, PhpStorm uninstallation completely in your PC and laptop on Windows 11 and Windows 10 operating system. Desktop, Windows search box lo enter control panel. First one option, control panel. Select window, maximize control panel. Window lo programs and features option select. PhpStorm 2026 1.1 application. Select, mouse right click, uninstall, click. User account control window lo first button, yes click. Control panel window, minimize. Uninstalled PhpStorm window lo installation path display. PhpStorm will be uninstalled from the following folder. Default installation path and location display. Second option, please confirm if you would like to delete the cache and settings section lo first one, delete PhpStorm 2026 1.1 caches and local history option, left side box tick mark set. Second one, delete PhpStorm 2026 1.1 setting and installed plugins option, left side box tick mark set. Share the uninstall feedback. Unnecessary, skip this option. First one, uninstall button, click. Uninstalling, please wait while PhpStorm is being uninstalled. Process start. Check the files, show details button, click. Application related all files. Uninstalling process start. Wait and here few minutes. Uninstallation complete. Bottom side close button, click. Control panel folder, reopen, mouse right click, refresh, close window. Keyboard shortcut key, Windows key plus R key. Run command, window display. Open box lo enter percentage app data percentage. After enter this command, first button OK, click. Roaming folder lo JetBrains folder, select, mouse right click. Fourth icon, delete, click. Top section lo address bar, app data folder, click. First one, local folder, select, mouse double click. JetBrains folder, select, mouse right click. Delete, fourth icon, click. Left side, this PC option, select. First one, new volume C, select, open. Program files folder, select, open. JetBrains application related installed folder, select, mouse right click. Fourth icon, delete, click. Left side, documents folder, select. Saved project related folder, select, mouse right click. Delete key press. Folder close. After uninstallation process completed, system restart must.